in this video. We spend a couple of days in Chicago's sister city in Japan, Osaka. After leaving our hotel, we first had breakfast at St. Mark's Cafe before making our way to Tokyo Station to get on the Shinkansen to Osaka. The ride from Tokyo Station to Osaka was about 2.5 hours, but honestly, it didn't feel like it. We ended up buying a few ekiben from the station to eat on the train. Ray got the yakitori ekiben, and I got the beef sukiyaki and yakiniku ekiben. It was definitely a filling meal as Japan's countryside sped by out the window. On the way, we actually got a really nice view of the top of Mount Fuji. And eventually, we pulled into Shin Osaka Station. After leaving our luggage with the Courtyard Marriott we are staying at, we made our way to Shinsaibashi to do some shopping. That evening, we had dinner at Miyazakigyu Teppanyaki in Shinsaibashi. After dinner, I didn't really record much since we had met up with a very close childhood friend of mine who moved to Japan, and we just talked at a bar to catch up and walked around Dotonbori. Really quick, this is going to be a little bit out of place, but I forgot to do a room tour recording, but we're going to do it right now. We are staying at the Courtyard Marriott in Shin Osaka Station. So quick room tour here. So to the left, closet, pretty decent size. To the right is the bathroom. Again, it's been lived in because we've been here already for a couple days, or yeah, 2 days. We got the bidet and a pretty decent sized tub, which I used this morning and it was really nice. And then the main room, really quick. Here we have just some amenities and a fridge in here. And then this is basically the room. All of this. We got a TV over here. Place to put our bags. And then we got this nice view here of Osaka. As you can see, there's a train pulling in, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, this is pretty much where we're staying. How are you liking it so far, Ray?
Way bigger than the last one. And I like that the mini fridge is stocked with very cheap beer.
Yep. But yeah, that's just a really quick room tour. So we started our second day at St. Mark's Cafe before making our way to Osaka Castle to check it out, as well as buy some souvenirs there. Afterwards, we made our way to Umeda to check out another soccer shop before heading back down to Dotonbori to have lunch at Kura Sushi. They have locations in the United States, but if you've never had Kura Sushi or have heard of it, it's basically a revolving sushi bar. We had so many plates of food. And what's fun about spots like this is that you can play a little game where that for every 5 plates you throw down the slot, you have a chance to win a prize.
Oh, here we go.
Come on. Oh!
That's Detective Conan.
Detective Conan, ex-Kura. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Not more Detective Conan.
Conan. After eating so much food, we decided to walk around Dotonbori. That evening, we ended up meeting my friend again to wander around Dotonbori. Oh, that's kind of cool. Before walking back together most of the way to the hotel and seeing the quieter side of the nightlife of Osaka. The next morning, we packed up and made our way to Kyoto.